Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today, it's just over, hard to believe, 1 week until Christmas. And if you're anything like me, you're doing a little bit of everything. Getting some last minute decor around the house if you have people coming over, or some areas of your house that are a little lacking, or some last minute gifts. I also have a no buy policy for decor in December because I have no shut off switch. So this video is all about using what you have and also what I've already thrifted. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you are having a very blessed Christmas season. This may look familiar to you if you've seen videos of mine, but this is metal artwork that I turned backwards, and we're actually looking at the back of it, and I have magnets attaching pictures of the season, and I add them ever since Thanksgiving. This is a new postcard that I came upon. It's so cute, from I believe the 20s. And then little nods to favorite movies like Scrooge, A Lock and Key. I thought was just really fun. It's just a small little thing to add. And then of course this, Miracle on 34th Street, or just a mailbox can be a cute little nod to the season, something small. And this is where I keep some of my bracelets, and I thought it would be a great way to gift somebody jewelry with a thrifted bowl, or like this, a favorite frame if you don't know what to do with it. I actually just lay a piece of felt, and that's where I keep some of my jewelry for the season, and it just looks like a nice simple way to display or gift something, along with a beautiful Christmas saucer that I like to see throughout the year, and I don't necessarily know where else to put it. This is a beautiful way to display and then also gift items if you're willing to part with some boxes that maybe you have thrifted. These are really fun boxes. The shiny bright boxes, any vintage ornament boxes are, I think, really beautiful to look at throughout the season underneath the tree or on a desk. And this is one of my favorite ornaments, so I thought I would give them some love. Some little Christmas pics I just put in the tree, and this one coming up, this little guy right here looks identical to the one in Christmas Vacation that gets burnt and falls from the tree. I just cluster a number of my smaller trees and put some of them in outdoor pots, and I just bring them inside. They look just as cute, and I don't have to go out and buy anything like a basket. This tree, okay, so this is one of my themes, and I got a DIY coming up because I wanted to add something to my circus-themed tree. It's just a small tree, and instead of, when I put these little felt ornaments that I've thrifted over the years, when I put them on the tree, it just looked kind of cluttered. I don't know why, it just bothered me. So I just had them ring around the tree at the bottom, and I can see them all from the front. Really cute, and I can appreciate them all. And then on the tree, all I have are very tiny, if you're familiar with this brand, Hobby Lobby, I think, little tiny ball ornaments that I clustered 2 or 3 of them on each branch, and very minimal throughout the tree, and kind of like all the fun's at the bottom. But I thought it needed something else, and I really wanted to buy something, but I couldn't. So I grabbed some red and white ribbon. This glitter ribbon is the best because it folds very nicely, and then I got a thin ribbon as well, but wire could work as well, and cutting them in about 3-inch strips. These could be any colors you wanted. I like the red and white, you'll see, because it's traditional circus colors, and I think it looks really nice that the white is like a grosgrain ribbon and the red is glittered, very, very pretty. And then just hot gluing the ends to make basically loops or tab tops, and then I'm gonna round the open end of the ribbon, and you'll see in a little bit. Now I would have preferred to have a very wide ribbon, but I didn't have any. I used what I had. These are, what is it, like 1-inch wide ribbon, and it looked really kind of cute, and there would be a number of ways you can use this. This could be really cute on gift wrapping. It could be part of a other present. If you do like the circus theme, like I do, I think it's just a fun thing, and it could be, you know, year round too, for birthdays or what have you. It just makes a really cute garland. And then I put little ball ornaments on the end. Now I haven't decided if I want to hang it kind of draping and do multiples of these and drape it along the tree, or have it ring around the stool that I have my tree sitting on. I don't know. But the little monkey on the top I thought needed a little something. So I love those scatter stars. They come in different shapes for the different seasons, usually at Dollar Tree or thrift store. And I wanted to make a balloon. I've been wanting to do this. This works for little ornaments as well, like the little ball ornaments. And you use wire. You can hot glue them in there with these foam little pieces. You just put the wire in, wrap it around his hand, and now he's holding a little star balloon. Now, if you're like me and celebrating the Christmas season also means creating, what I do is I like a few boxes that are pretty to leave out, and I leave them out the whole month of December with some of my favorite finds and things that I may want to either decorate still with or include with maybe I'm giving an arrangement or a little potted plant or something, and I want to add something really cute. I have this at hand, and then also some of my favorite ornaments are in there, and maybe I don't know exactly where to put them in. It's kind of like a little play area, kind of my own little elf workshop. It's kind of fun just to see what you come up with, or just kind of putz around, or just really have something on hand, or be able to use one of your favorite ornaments at the last minute. And I am really a perpetual decorator the entire month of December. I'm adding little things. It's just what I do. And then this is from my mom. She always had this out, and it's cute storage, and it holds the little ornament hangers. Supplies from a recent video, a really easy DIY that you can kind of upcycle VHS or DVD covers from favorite movies. Fun to display or give. And this is a fun, really quick frame hack. If you have a poster or something that you want to display, but you don't have a frame and you're not going to go out and buy one, use one of these inexpensive canvas prints and turn it around. I put a little hanger in the back that you can barely see from the front, and I painted the black, the back black with just craft paint, and put in my poster, no glass or anything. And then this is the rest of my little workstation that I have things on hand, just little gifts or cards to give, which is always helpful to have stuff on hand. And this tree, it's a year-round tree. I decorated for each season. It's a small little tabletop tree, and it used to make people mad at work. But I have little, like this is a goat that I got from Sister Bay in Door County. I thought he was kind of cute. And some Dusty Miller clippings, which I like to use actually in a natural tree, and some jewelry, because why not? It doesn't really have official ornaments. There's some wood cutouts that I had gotten years ago that I'll use for 4th of July and also for Christmas. And it actually has some pink at the bottom. And look at that little ornament from Christmas Story. A friend of mine makes these. Aren't they beautiful? They're ceramic, and they have like lace print on them. But I like to get prepared for the next season, which is Valentine's Day, and it also looks pretty at Christmas. This is a simple thing to do with sisal trees. You can put them on I have a mini cake stand, and I just clustered a whole bunch of them, and then kind of did a little design of a heart on the front with little embellishments like little beads. And this is my little snowman guy. I move him every year. I find a different fun place because he's so cute. And I have these little, what are they, like candy jars, whatever, lidded glass jars. And I thought he would look so cute popping out of there, hanging out with the ornaments. And FYI, this is at the Dollar Tree at the checkout. How cute is that? It's a little tiny little vacuum. So cute. In the bathroom, you've seen this from a previous video. This is my Home Alone bathroom, but it also incorporates Elf as Christmas comes along. It's ode to New York, the Empire State Building, and narwhals. Now, Hobby Lobby, I think, still has these narwhal ornaments. So cute. But I love to use, this is a newsprint, fake, and then black and white pictures that I like. That's a super easy fix. And then a winter picture that I leave up for Christmas. Sisal trees can look so cute no matter what you put them in, and I like to use little silver dishes. And then soap. I happen to be out of soap, and good time to get something, especially pink, that goes for the next season. And then, you know what I did? I got these because it's gold and nobody ever puts them away. So it might as well go with the decor. Why not? This is one of the dressers that holds my craft supplies, and this is one of that kind of has like naturals. And these are my faux miniature greenery, which can be really fun because for my little bird planter, I jazzed them up a little bit for Christmas. Very simple, but it's fun to add little cute things on a bookshelf. And then this is just a little simple DIY that I did a while back. A random key that I had with some ribbon. And that can be fun to display in a book that you're reading. This is the current one. And then half price books, $6 for this book. It's so cute. Christmas Carol. Great opening line there. And then to DIY a little bookmark. How cute is that? You can use somebody's old key that maybe you have a previous house or something. Just so cute. Look for white anything, pitchers, plates, bowls, and this one's nice because it has a little scallop edging, and I usually use it for decor or for serving. This one's being used for decor this year for some of my favorite snowflake and fruit ornaments. Simple and cute. I have a few very favorite ornaments that I like to see every day, so I hang them from in the kitchen. We are in the kitchen right now, and just hanging from a little door pull. And believe it or not, these 3 glass canisters, I went to Savers wanting one, and I found 3 in 3 different sizes, and they're all so cute. And then wicker trays, can't go wrong. This one's shaped like a star, which is extremely useful. It hides the outlet, and then it can also be used for serving, or so versatile. Love the cup and saucer. Everybody else has kind of gotten on board too. They're so pretty for any season, especially Christmas. And I like to add a little figure here and there, and he is so funny. And if they have extremities like legs and arms, you have to pose them, and his little sign will work for cookies. So cute. He cracks me up every time I look at him. I think there's a better way to pose him, yes, on a piece of fruit. Now, if you have plants, I think it's only right that they get dressed up a little bit for the season. You can keep it really simple by just adding a few little ornaments like I do. Just a little extra something to my succulents. My little mini bird bath succulent in honor of Laura, Garden Answer. She has a full-size one. So I figured, why not? I'm going to make a little miniature one. I have a succulent terrarium that is holding the only surviving reindeer. His friend was eaten by my dog, and then he got a hold of his one leg. So he's gonna reside in here, and at least the rest of him will be safe. Now this next little, I don't even know if I'd call it a DIY because it's so simple, but these are some paper little poinsettias that I just thought were so cute. I've had them for years, never knew what to do with them, and I decided to do in my greenhouse from Hobby Lobby. I do something different every year, and I'm going to do like a little Frosty the Snowman inspired little vignette. And I thought it would be really cute to put on these little miniature pots, and it looks really kind of cute, a little poinsettia greenhouse. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a snowman that really looks like Frosty, which is kind of a shame. And then these little tables I made out of scrap wood, and they're each like a half a pallet, little miniature pallets from the Dollar Tree. This is a fun little DIY for a plant. So I have some Dichondra Silver Falls brought in the house. It's doing well. It's very happy. I want to see how long I can keep it going. But all it has is this sad little pine cone. But it's so pretty, and since it's right by the tree, I wanted to give it a little something. So a little grapevine wreath and a pick, a snowflake pick will kind of keep it kind of centered. And then I thrifted her quite a while ago because I don't know, some may think that she's really creepy. I think she's really, really cute. So I always pictured her either like on a little swing, or I figured, you know what? No, I'm just going to sit her on the wreath. And of course she has posable arms and legs. So cute to give her a little cute pose. And then of course she's going to hang, she's just going to hold a snowflake, because why not? It's always funny, what are you going to do with your plants when Christmas comes in? Because sometimes they just don't go. This way, they will go. Now we're gonna do, I don't know if I'd call it an elaborate DIY, but this is something that I've wanted to do for some time, and I'm using ornaments that I already have. I'm not quite sure. I just know the color scheme that I want. I want like a pale green, pale blue, some pink. And if you have a head planter, this will work. If not, well, you can just see what I come up with here, and we'll see. I think she would look really pretty just as she is right there with a tree. It just makes me not angry, but when people just do a head planter with a plant that doesn't even go with the hair, you know, that's on the head planter. But her name is Elizabeth. I named her a long time ago, and I frequently get little things for her that I know that would look pretty, and I really wanted to do her up. I had seen this on maybe Pinterest, somebody that did something like this, and it's basically just a very elaborately decorated tree in a head planter. And this is a pick that I had gotten years ago from Hobby Lobby that also sometimes is on my front door wreath, sometimes it's inside, it's on the tree. Now these ornaments, I actually had very thin wire hangers, and I twisted one end completely closed, and then I could wrap it around the branch really tightly because I did cluster a lot of the ornaments. I like that look better. And then just kind of add in some of these little tiny vintage ones that I've had for years. So cute, and they kind of have some nice pale colors that go, and then of course a star at the top. We will be having my aunt and uncle over for Christmas, and I just have a feeling that she's going to get a big kick out of this. A miniature tree skirt is now, well, basically a tree shirt. This is one $2.99 necklace, a rhinestone necklace that I got at Savers for her. I knew I wanted that it would go nicely with her. And then I said, should I light her up? Should I light up the tree? Yeah, maybe. I wanted to get some good footage just in case I messed her up. But I think it would actually look really cool. These copper lights really upset me. So one hack is don't untangle them. I actually wad them so that they become like a garland, and then much shorter, and you just kind of tuck it in like you would a garland. I think it would look really pretty if the garland was just going around as a necklace, like an illuminated necklace. That would look really cool. But I just decided to wrap it around the tree. If you do this, I would recommend doing the lights first, but I wasn't even sure if I would like it. So these are your kind of fun DIYs for Christmas with only 1 week to go. I hope you are having a very blessed Christmas season. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.